Take a moment to read the question. So P is a point on this given parabola which is at a minimum distance from the center C of the given circle. So we have to find the equation of a circle which passes through C and has its center at P. How do we do this question? Well, first of all, let us write down the equation of the given circle. So its center can be found very easily. Also, the equation of the parabola is y squared equals 8x. So we can take a point P on this parabola in this form. So using the distance formula, we can find out the distance between C and P and write it down in this form. Now this is a function of y, so let's call it f of y. So f of y is the given function. Now for the distance to be minimum, the derivative of f with respect to y must be equal to 0. So let us differentiate this. So we get this and we can simplify it and write it down like this. So the derivative should be equal to 0. So we equate this to 0, which means we have this equation now. Now it's very easy to guess that y equals -4 would satisfy that equation. Now corresponding to this value of y, x can be found and x is equal to 2. So the coordinates of the point P are 2, -4. So we can now find the radius of that circle. So that radius squared would be equal to Cp squared. So using the distance formula, that number is equal to 8. So knowing the center and the radius of the circle, we can write down its equation. So we get this. Now on expanding everything, we find that this is the equation of the circle. So the correct answer is option 1.